Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this troubleshooting guide, we will explore DTC P0035, which indicates a high voltage issue in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit for Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve plays a key role in managing the turbocharging system by regulating boost pressure. If this valve malfunctions, it can significantly affect the vehicle's engine performance and efficiency. Understanding the implications of this DTC involves various vehicle systems, notably the Engine Control Module, or PCM, which communicates with the solenoid. The troubleshooting procedure leverages tools like the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to diagnose the fault accurately. Keeping a keen focus on the electrical integrity of the circuit will be paramount in resolving the issues indicated by this trouble code. The DTC P0035 specifically refers to the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit experiencing high voltage. This solenoid valve is critical as it controls the amount of boost pressure the turbocharger can exert, influencing overall engine performance. Typically, it is located near the turbocharger in the vehicle's engine bay, connecting to both the PCM and the engine's air intake system. If the solenoid is malfunctioning or its circuit has issues, it can lead to either an overboost or underboost condition, compromising engine efficiency. Monitoring this valvular operation is essential, as the engine relies on the precise modulation of charge air pressure for optimal fuel combustion and performance. In using the HDS, technicians can observe operational statuses and any recorded fault codes to ascertain the current health of these components. When dealing with DTC P0035, there are several potential causes that need consideration. High voltage could arise from frayed or shorted wiring that might be allowing excessive current to pass through the circuit. This could lead to premature solenoid failure if left unchecked. A faulty turbocharger bypass control solenoid itself can also be the root of the issue if it fails to regulate boost pressure correctly. Alternatively, issues within the PCM could create erroneous signals or readings, which may lead to incorrect voltage assessments for the solenoid. Finally, poor connections or loose terminals at either the turbocharger solenoid or the PCM can contribute to the overall failure of this circuit. Each of these areas needs to be examined closely to ensure a thorough diagnosis. DTC P0035 can manifest through various symptoms that signal issues within the turbocharger bypass control system. One primary symptom is a noticeable reduction in engine performance. When the solenoid does not function correctly, the engine may not reach optimal power levels. Additionally, drivers often report decreased fuel efficiency as incorrect boost levels affect air-to-fuel ratios, leading the engine to burn more fuel than necessary. The presence of a check engine light on the dashboard is another critical indicator, as this alerts the driver to potential faults detected by the onboard diagnostics. Furthermore, the car may exhibit rough idling or acceleration problems, as the mismanaged turbo pressure fails to provide the necessary thrust. Each of these symptoms is crucial in assessing the overall functionality of the vehicle's turbo system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0035 involves checking the system status using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode to prepare the diagnostics. Following this, clear any existing trouble codes with the HDS to reset the system for fresh readings. After clearing, switch the vehicle to off mode and then return it to on mode again. This reset can help ensure the diagnostic system accurately reflects the current state of the vehicle's electronics. The next important procedure is to perform the ABV test, found within the inspection menu of the HDS. This test directly assesses the operation of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve, revealing if it operates correctly under live conditions. Finally, it is crucial to monitor the OBD status for DTC P0035, verifying whether the HDS indicates a failed status or not. In troubleshooting step 2, our focus shifts to examining potential open circuits in the ABV wiring that connects the turbocharger bypass control solenoid to the PCM. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and in the lock mode. The next action is to jump the SCS line using the HDS. This process requires waiting for more than a minute, providing the system with enough time to stabilize. Following this, specific connectors need to be disconnected. First, the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve 2P connector, and then the PCM connector E, which is an 80P connector. Once these are disconnected, establish continuity between designated test points. The two test points are the female terminals of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve connector and pin number 79 on the PCM connector. This procedure will highlight whether the ABV wire is functioning correctly or if there is an open circuit present. After completing the necessary repair procedures for DTC P0035, it's vital to perform a final verification to confirm that the repair was successful. This verification process begins with clearing the DTC once again, using the HDS, ensuring that the vehicle's system is reset. Following this, a test drive should be conducted under conditions similar to those that elicited the error. This practical test will evaluate if the solenoid operates correctly while the vehicle is in motion and under load. Post-test drive, the technician should re-engage the HDS to check for any recurrence of DTC P0035 or other related codes, ensuring that the problem has been resolved entirely. Monitoring the performance during this period is crucial. Any signs of reduced power or malfunction indicate further investigation is necessary. Ultimately, this step assures confidence in the repairs completed. Preventive maintenance is essential to ensuring longevity and optimal performance of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid and associated wiring. Regular inspections of the turbocharger and its components can catch issues before they become significant problems. Specifically, checking the integrity of wiring associated with the solenoid can prevent high-voltage errors from occurring. During these inspections, it's crucial to clean any connections between the solenoid, the PCM, and other related components. Accumulation of dirt or corrosion can lead to poor connectivity, resulting in electrical faults like those indicated by DTC P0035. Furthermore, documenting any irregularities found during inspections can help establish patterns that may need addressing in future maintenance. By implementing these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this fault code again. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0035 requires a comprehensive understanding of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve and its operational significance. Recognizing this connection to overall engine performance is crucial, as any faults in this component can lead to decreased power and efficiency. The troubleshooting process emphasizes thorough verification of system status, pinpointing wiring issues, and maintaining the integrity of connections. Each step from diagnostics to preventive measures reinforce the role of comprehensive maintenance in avoiding such DTCs in the future. By adhering to the outlined steps and being vigilant in monitoring your vehicle's turbo system, drivers can ensure optimal performance and reliability of their Honda CR-V, specifically from 2017 to 2022. Awareness and proactive troubleshooting not only address current issues, but can also prevent future failures. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.